let's talk about latest Instagram update. On the right hand side, you can see my old Instagram layout. On the left hand side, you can see my new Instagram layout. In old layout, all posts, following and followers count were centered perfectly. But after the latest update, you can see now those count are off-centered. They have been shifted to right. As well as you can see your profile name. Earlier it was under your profile picture. Now it has been switched to top of the list. It above your post count. This update is not only for you, it has been updated for all accounts. As well as you can see your post layout. Earlier it were square shape. Now it has been moved to portrait mode. Like this, Instagram has been changed its profile layout. If your Instagram profile look like this, don't worry, it is the latest update. Most Instagram users hate to this update. If I found a method to change this Instagram layout to older one, I will put that video link in the description. As well as, is there any update about Instagram layout? I will put that updated video link in the description, or you can find out on my channel, or you can click this end screen videos and come on over. See you in the latest update. Later.